Hello everyone, you're welcome back here again on the Betong's video. The Betong Studio, the Betong Crypto. It's like I'm confused today. But I'm just excited because of what happened yesterday or what has been going on today. Bitcoin is going to where I mentioned my analysis was actually accurate. So I'm happy that most of you who yielded to my call were able to get out from those altcoins, and now you're gonna be buying those altcoins cheaper to make more Bitcoin. So this video is gonna be focused on how you can use crypto banter bubbles to make more Bitcoin, to trade Bitcoin. The idea of cryptocurrency, or my idea in this industry, is to accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible because I believe in the future Bitcoin is gonna be money. So if say you wanna join me on that journey, then this video is gonna educate you on how you can capitalize on Bitcoin movement to make more Bitcoin. And this is gonna be you using altcoins to make more Bitcoin. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit late. I try to fix some stuff here before going live so that I can give you guys the best show, one of the best shows today. So we're gonna have one of the best shows today. No doubt, there's a lot of stuff I want to unpack to you guys, and I believe that you all will follow my channel. You believe in what I do. You trust in what I do diligently. You try to follow me. Of course, I'm not right all the time, but most of the times I'm right. And if say most of the times I'm right, then the times I'm not right, it wouldn't be significant. Provided we are following our plan. If say we follow our plan, we follow our strategy, and price goes against us, we still stick on that. It doesn't mean that what we do is bad. So today we're gonna focus on that. And if say you are joining me here for the first time, you are watching the Betong's Crypto. This is a place where I create content to help people out there who want to make crypto the thing they want to build wealth with cryptocurrency. They need someone to guide them on how to understand market structure, when to take out profit, how to analyze, all coins, how to trade all coins, look at Bitcoin, trade all coins, make Bitcoin, buy the best altcoins out there. If you see you're that guy, then this platform is for you. And yeah, I'm going to be doing my best to help you accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible. And one of the tools I use is Banter Bubbles. It's simple. You see, like what I'm going to show you here is simple. But before I show you the trick, we're gonna go and analyze the big daddy. If say you have some of your altcoins out there, make sure you lay them down. Let's decapitate them. Let's analyze them and see what's going on there as well. And the most important thing, you have to like this video. Like this video, thumbs up. At least let's reach out to more people out there and comment your coins as I mentioned. Now let's dive into this. This is Banter Bubbles, right? And what you're seeing here is based on BTC, not based on USDT. So let's go now based on USDT. Let's see, like all of these coins out that you see right now are outperforming Bitcoin. Pepe is outperforming Bitcoin 10%. So let's just go and and look at this right now. Let's just see. I'm now at BTC, so let's go and change it to USD. So let's see what's going on right now with USDT. With USD. So like looking at this, of course, Pepe is up 11%. Bong is up 7%. It is not doing well. Renda is up 7%. Dot is up 11%. Solana is up 7%. And HBuy is up 15%. On Dog with Heart is up 10%. So you can see the market looks green, but you need to understand which coins are outperforming Bitcoin, right? So let's just go back to our Bitcoin because, like, if we say the idea is to accumulate more Bitcoin, then we have to look at it in Bitcoin, not in USDT, right? Or USD. So now this is it in Bitcoin. You can see, let's assume that you were in Bitcoin when this market was dipping, okay? And you wanted to buy more Bitcoin or to accumulate more Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin has dipped, and you are asking yourself, okay, now that Bitcoin has dipped, you believe other altcoins have been dipping as well, and now we are looking at the daily time frame, like for the day, the entire day. So what you ought to do is go to the hourly time frame now, to the hourly time frame to see, okay, which coins are starting to outperform Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. You can see here, Jupe is up 1%. Pepe is still doing well against Bitcoin. It's up for 4.32%. We can see other coins that are attempting. Quant is up to 0.52%. This is for the past hour. Solana is up as well. Now let's look at this on the 50 minutes time frame. So go to this filter and then check this using the 50 minutes. So click on the 15 minutes to see which ones are doing well looking at the 15 minutes time frame. So now we are on the 15 minutes performance. You can see the coins that are doing well, on that. So go to this same coin, to this same platform, search your coin, go and look for your coin. Look at your coin and compare that coin against Bitcoin. What you're seeing here is against Bitcoin. Go and search for your coins, and if say you are able to do that, then fine. I'm able to do this mostly when I use crypto bubbles. It's easy for me to do this with crypto bubbles because I can easily search. Usually when I try to search here with Banter bubbles, let me see if I can search. Let's say let me just say Cardano. Usually it's not okay for me. I'm not able to do this. So when I want to do this, I go to crypto bubbles instead. I can easily search on any coin. Let me just say let's say Cardano. Okay, this is Cardano. Cardano has come for the day. If I want to change it, if I want to change it into Bitcoin, I would have gone already. And like, okay, now it's still in Bitcoin. So if I search Cardano, you see all this good stuff here with Cardano, and it's good because you can see already what is going on for the hourly time frame and the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame. So you can do the same with Bitcoin. You can first of all look at Bitcoin to see what Bitcoin is doing for the day. The day nothing, 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 nothing. This is not doesn't make any sense. But of course, that's a chart. That's what we are seeing. Of course, maybe it's because the setting is against is your Bitcoin is a currency. So yeah, I think so. Let's just see against Ethereum. Ethereum, let's see what's going on. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So Ethereum is up for the hour is down 1.2% for the day, 3% for the week, 3.8% for the month. So I mean, this is pretty damn good stuff. So like guys, if say you want to end the show right now, yeah, this is how I go about looking at this. At Banter bubbles to make more Bitcoin. If I see coins that are starting to give me good steam, let's focus on crypto Banter. But Banter bubbles have more features than crypto bubbles, as I mentioned. I use both of the platform. I depending on what I want, I can just switch easily. So Banter Bubbles team try to fix this search. I want to be able to search and able to see it appear here down here. That's what I want to do. I don't have to scroll right down to. So I want it to happen here. Everything to happen here. I can search something and I get it instantly. So that's the reason why I go back to crypto bubbles to get this data. Now, looking at the 15 minutes time frame, you can see all of these coins. And if we go to now to the 200, like to the top 200 coins. So if we look at the top 200 coins right now, let's see what we're going to get, on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame, see which coins are actually doing well. You can see FTT is up 19%. All of these coins, they are outperforming Bitcoin. So if say you are in Bitcoin when the market is dipping and you realize, like someone who understands TA, you realize that okay, now Bitcoin is about to recover. When Bitcoin is about to recover, then these altcoins that plunged downward, drastically when Bitcoin was dumping, they are gonna pump more than Bitcoin because they lose more weight, so they need to gain more weight. So that's just the idea. Now going to liquidity heat map. Let's see what's there. What is there? Okay, this is it. Let me refresh this bad boy again to give us more data on what we might expect with Bitcoin for the next 24 hours. So looking at the liquidity heat map, oh boy, Bitcoin is still pointing downward. So don't get the idea that Bitcoin is at around $68,000. Maybe that's Bitcoin almost going to, I think, let me see. Yeah, price is right now around $58,000. Yeah, I think price almost went to 59. That's interesting. I'm gonna look at the chart soon. But guys, you can see the idea here. Look at the target. We have Bitcoin is gonna go to around 57,000, and if Bitcoin is not able to hold this 57,000 price point, then we're gonna keep going down. I'm gonna show you guys more on the chart what we should expect, and this is gonna be in correlation to what I mentioned yesterday. On yesterday's show. So let's look at this module two. Yeah, you can see exactly the same. But now let's look at the next 3 days, or let's just go to the next 3 days, including the weekend. Let's see what might happen. Okay, looking at this right now, I think we might see Bitcoin trade in this range. 60,000, 63,000, 66,000. So there are some lots of liquidity, some few liquidity here that they can come and grab. So yeah, let's just watch and see what will happen. And if Bitcoin gets there, doesn't mean that Bitcoin is back in an uptrend. Don't get that wrong. Just that Bitcoin is trying to recover, and long term, we're going to see what will happen with Bitcoin. If we go to model one, we're going to see more data on that. Let's go to the next 3 days. This includes weekend. Let's see what's going to happen here. And I think it's going to show us the same thing. Yeah, this is it. This area we have most liquidity. That's around $62,000 per Bitcoin. So we can see Bitcoin go to that area. Wow. The more we go downward, the more the 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 upside keep going down as well. Like how far Bitcoin can go for us to confirm that maybe Bitcoin is back in an uptrend or it has a broken structure. So looking at this, I cannot really confirm. Now let's go to the chart of Bitcoin. Let's see what is going on here with this with this bad boy. Let's go to another chart and see what's going on here. I think I'm gonna bring in one of let me see. EMA Kosoba now. Let me bring in Super Bollinger Band. Let me see this one. I think this is what I wanted. Yeah, this is what I want. But before I do that, I'm gonna bring in another chart here. I'd love to have two of these charts, sitting here with me. Yes, let me bring this one now. Okay, boy. So I have these two charts, and they are all Bitcoin chart. Now, this first one is is very important because it helps me to eliminate most of the noise in on the previous chart. Then I can focus on particular stuff. Like right now, I'm on the 15 minutes time frame. You can see clearly if say price is not able to, okay, this is what is going on. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame first before we can you can see throughout like throughout today. Started with the Asian section. This was the Asian section. Price didn't do anything on the Asian section. We saw price move back, towards that was in the UK session. This was the UK session, and after the UK session, we are now in the we are now in the US session. That was yesterday. Like yesterday, that was Monday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, and Wednesday we are seeing the same thing. Price started like this on the Asian section, on the UK section, price dump, and now US is trying to push price, to the upside. But yesterday, all the sessions price was dumping, but the Asian session was more of consolidating, and UK brought price down, and US also brought price down right throughout the Asian session today, and the UK session today, and now US session today. Price is trying to recover. Now, if you look at this, there's something that you should be easy. You can easily see, right? Look at this white moving average. Price is moving below it. This is a 200-day moving average, right? So because price have dumped like this, right? Price should at least touch it before price can move back to the opposite direction. If price is not able to kiss that moving average, then I will not be like okay to like I will not be able to know which direction price is going to be taking. Because I want to see the reaction when price gets to that 200-day moving average. Right. So right now, price is attempting to recover this vector candle. We have another vector here around where the alpha trend printed the sell signal. And if you understood the law of the alpha trend, the way I use the alpha trend to trade, when I see a sell signal and the alpha trend print a buy signal, my target is where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. I wanna go there and take out my profit, then wait to see what price is gonna do. If price break there, price will come back and retest it. That's when I buy again, then take the right to the next alpha trend, sell signal, the next alpha trend, sell signal, the next alpha trend, sell signal. Oh, this is like music. You can like I'm composing a song here, but that's just the idea on how I use the alpha trend, and also we can see here the trendillo is right at the oversold area, which is assigned to start accumulating or based on the 1 hour time frame. Because if say price is gonna cross this zone here, this 0 point, this line in the middle, 0 point 0 zone, if price crossed it, then price have to go up to an extent and print this. Not always, but most of the time, if price crossed it, price is gonna go and form this zone here, this green zone here. You can see whenever price crosses it, price gonna go and form. Except here, price couldn't go, but after that, price went right up there. So this could be a phase where you buy, price go, you buy, then when you see it, yeah, you kind of like you sell. When you see it, yeah, you buy, you sell, you buy, you keep buying. When you see it up there, you sell. So you can use only this alone to actually make money trading cryptocurrency or investing in cryptocurrency. It can also give you moment where you can buy for those who are doing DCA. So if you DCA on the 1 hourly time frame, then you can use this to do that. You can see here. Oh, we just saw a quick dip, with Bitcoin. Bitcoin are just going right down to $57,000. Is it $57,000 or am I not seeing well? Yeah. So Bitcoin just went right down to $57,000. And what is happening here? These guys are recovering these vector candles. Now let's go back to this 15 minutes time frame for me to explain to you guys what is going on here. Now the alpha channel has printed this buy signal, and if we go back there, you're gonna see there was a sell signal here. And what also can you see here? Price is moving below these moving averages, including the 800 moving average. So price should hold after recovering this vector candle. We should see price hold this zone. Let me zoom this a little bit so we can see what I'm trying to say here. So where this alpha trend printed this sell signal, that was when we started seeing this vector candles forming. Now the vector candles has been recovered. I want to see price hold. Yeah, this week down, yeah, should hold. And we should see price to an extent move back to the upside. But if we go to the daily time frame, you're gonna see why price is going down. Maybe price is price just wanna recover all of this vector candle. Yeah, this is a zone. I marked the zone earlier. Price is gonna somehow come there, right? You can see there are vectors here. They have already recovered this vector. We have two other vectors which hasn't been recovered yet. So they can just push price today. This week can go straight downward or maybe attempt to recover this other week on the daily time frame. But because I'm seeing the alpha trend printing this signal, this is pointing downward, I think we can see a one week downward, like one candle tomorrow again, which is Thursday. We can see one candle during the Asian session or during the UK session, to fill this zone here, which is gonna be okay because price left this zone, But guys, I don't think that's gonna be okay because if price does that, then we might as well come to recover all of this vector. I think the most safest area, yeah, if we zoom out, let's zoom out to see. Okay, boy, look at this. For us to be able to say this might be actually cool. Like price has gone to reset and price is now back in trend. Then we have this. I drew this back then. This is a long time ago. So we should expect the bounce either from this trend line, or maybe price can come right down to about 30. Let's see, $36,000. Yeah. Oh boy, this is possible. Can we see price go to 41? Yeah, I think 41 is the area where we can see price bounce from this zone. If we are in a bull market, then the worst case scenario should be at 41, 42, or let's say the 40,000 range. So this is possible. Guys, I don't care. Like, I know before I cared, but now I don't care. If Bitcoin want to go to 40K, let Bitcoin go to 40K. If Bitcoin want to go to 30K, let Bitcoin go to 30K. That's an opportunity for me because I now understand the market better than before. Or I know what is going on in the market. I know where Bitcoin is going. I know the future of Bitcoin. I know that if Bitcoin is able to get to the 74,000, it can get to 100,000, it can get to 20,000, it can keep going as we see more adoption, more ETFs, more player coming on board. So this price now, it doesn't I don't care about this price now. What I care is if say I'm in Bitcoin, or if say I'm not in altcoins when this is happening. If I'm in Bitcoin when this dump is happening, yeah, I'm good to go. But because we have vectors, yeah, you can see this one here, you can see this one here. They can push price to those areas. You can see this other one here. They can push price to those areas. So as a trader, as someone who understand and think analysis, you are protecting yourself long term to have more buying power. You ride with the ones you have and you hold. Now, there's no support here where price is. No support. The only support is area is this zone here where you are seeing right now. And if say I bring in the volume profile, yeah, you're gonna confirm what I'm saying here. So let me bring the volume profile to give you guys a hedge on what I'm saying here. So look at the volume profile, you can see, yeah, this is the only area. Yeah, we have some liquidity. That's why you see. That's why you see price is holding there. We have some sort of liquidity, but the area where we have more liquidity, more support, is this zone here. This zone, and this zone is around where the POC is. Wow. And also this area is where we have the value area low. This is gonna be around 39,000, and this is closer to where the 800-day moving average is. So, guys, we cannot make this up. You are seeing this. This is possible. It can happen, but it won't happen like instantly, like in a day. We can see them push price and goes towards where the alpha trend is, where the alpha trend project itself. And if price is not able to break and make higher highs, then that's where they want to push price to. Price should always be there. And I told you guys that if price breaks structure, I want to get out from most of my altcoins. And I meant what I said, right? Right now we have broken structure. We are not in structure anymore. So when am I gonna get out from all these altcoins? I'm gonna wait for a reverse. I'm not gonna get out from those altcoins when price is still dumping though. I'm gonna wait for a retracement back to where this structure was broken. Price is gonna get there, and that's where I think the alpha trend is gonna head towards. Where the structure was broken, and that's when I want to cash out from these altcoins. And when Bitcoin dip towards this value area low, I'm gonna buy most of those altcoins again cheaper. Then when it gets back to this upside, I sell. Come down, I buy. Guys, I do this full time, so I'm not complaining. And if say price keep going down, I keep accumulating Bitcoin. And if say we see a huge spike with Bitcoin, I don't know when it's gonna happen. All I can say, all I can do is look at what is happening every day, every week, every month to decide what I might do that day or the next day, the next week, and so on and so forth. I cannot actually predict exactly what will happen in the market. So these are all ways you can use to make more Bitcoin, using altcoins. Banter Bubbles is the key here. Go and understand more about the platform is very important, but at the same time, you won't just look at stuff here. You need to look at where Bitcoin is to understand that if these altcoins are pumping, they are performing Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin in an uptrend, or Bitcoin is just stagnant somewhere? If Bitcoin is stagnant, then these altcoins, this short-term pump is just trap. You ought to cash out, the profit or sell at a loss, then wait for price to stable, and to an extent, if you understand TA, go and do some TA to know if say your altcoins like they are okay for you to buy. And one last coin I want to check quickly is Ethereum. Before we go, let's look at Ethereum, quickly. Ethereum actually, okay. Now, looking at Ethereum, I would say that if say we are to see a quick reversal somehow with any coin, is going to be Ethereum. That's why I am focusing on being more in Ethereum. Because if I look at Ethereum on the daily time frame and I look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, I think Ethereum, have more, like Ethereum is more okay than where, look at where Bitcoin is. Bitcoin still have to come down, to like to all these zones here, while Ethereum is already closer to it. So if you want to see a quick reversal, and Ethereum haven't yet broken its structure before, you can see it's still in that structure, holding this zone. Price hasn't yet broken the structure, and this is above this moving average, which is okay, which is good. And if say we bring Ethereum looking at the Betong moving average, where Ethereum is, we can also confirm. Let me bring Ethereum here, looking at the Betong moving average. So on the daily time frame, let's see what's going on here. Ethereum, yeah, you can see this is the bottom moving average. Price is getting closer to it, which is also bullish. So I think Ethereum short term is gonna be okay to hold it now, and then yeah, pump more than Bitcoin when price recovers. Because Bitcoin, I don't think Bitcoin is gonna do that much, but Ethereum is still around the value area low, looking at the volume profile, which is something that I think is a strength. Of course, I think that Ethereum can come right down to even 2,400. We can see a quick week down this area, and it's gonna be moving properly. Actually, guys, Ethereum is respecting price action. You see, each time Ethereum break structure, it comes back to retest structure. So we can see we need to see Ethereum, at least come down here. And if say it's not able to break $2,200, then it's gonna still be in structure, no doubt. All right, guys. If you want to know what I'm buying when I'm buying, make sure you are part of my VIP group. You are part of my community. Join my community. There I share stuff that I do on a daily basis. If you want to be part of like to see what I'm buying when I'm buying it, when I'm taking out profit, then you have to be part of my VIP group. Join my community. The links are found below this video. And when you get there, I'm gonna be there to help you out somehow. Not all the time I'm live, but there I try to share stuff, so you want to be there when the right time comes. Until then, guys, I want to see you the next time tomorrow, same time. Bye bye, and have a nice day. Ciao.